I thoroughly believe every car needs a dash cam. No matter if you're in the city, outside of the city, suburb, inner city, you need a dash cam. And I've gone on record saying Vantrue is one of my favorite brands. This little guy is also a very convenient option. He's a little bit bulkier in itself, how he takes up, how the lens comes out. It's a two-way camera. It's the Vantrue S1. I have it installed up top. Afterwards, I lead it around the side and it comes out in the back here. Then I have it draped under my floor, well, my little mat. It goes into the engine bay. This is my K truck. And then it comes out. What I like about it is how long it survived with me. I've had this already. This is the second vehicle I have it on, my K truck. Before that, I had that on my CRV, which was a camping vehicle. I did massive road trips of tens of thousands of miles on it. And this thing has survived a lot and really cruel conditions. I've taken it to like -20. So I highly recommend it. It lasts a long time. It's very easy to install. It has a little adhesive patch that clips on, and then you can also slide it on and off if you want to be taking it off and on. So very easy in that sense. It's not one of their suction cup items. And overall, can't say a bad thing about it. Works excellent, and the headache that it saved me from just hit and runs or fender benders, I'm not going to get into the details, but I'll just tell you, New York is unforgiving. I highly recommend it, and Vantrue is the way to go.